A two-digit number is such that the product of its digits plus the sum of its digits equals the number itself. What is the units digit of the number? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Let's name the digits. Call the tens digit A and the units digit B. Then the number itself equals 10A plus B, because the tens digit is worth 10 times its value. Now write the condition. The product of the digits is A times B. The sum of the digits is A plus B. Adding those together equals the number, which is 10A plus B. Let's simplify. On the left we have A times B plus A plus B. On the right we have 10A plus B. The plus B appears on both sides, so it cancels, leaving A times B plus A equals 10A. Subtract A from both sides. That gives A times B equals 9A. Since A is a non-zero digit, we can divide both sides by A, and we get B equals 9. So the units digit must be 9. Let's check with 19. The product of the digits is 1 times 9, which is 9. The sum of the digits is 1 plus 9, which is 10. Adding gives 9 plus 10 equals 19. The number itself. It works. The units digit is 9.